Gentlemen, welcome to another video. Today I will be doing an average of 12. I will try to get a sub 20 average of 12. So that's my goal, is to get consistent sub 20 average of 12s. And yeah, not gonna lie, I haven't been practicing as much as I would like the past month because I went to my parents' house, but I forgot to bring my cube, so there was like a week or so where I didn't practice at all. But for the most part, I try to practice 3 times a week, and each time I practice for about 10 minutes. I do a mix of slow solves and time solves. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah, I've been practicing consistently for about over a year now, so yeah, let's see the progress. All right, let's get started. I just did my warm-up. I warmed up for about 5 minutes, and yeah, without further ado, let's stop with the yapping and start cubing. Okay. Nice cross. This will be a very easy cross. Let's go. Ah, man, I messed up that OLO there, if you guys saw that. That was terrible. Frick, man. That could have been a really good solve, but I messed up the freaking OLO. Oh my gosh. Okay, not bad. I kind of hesitated during that P a little there. Overall, not a bad solve. Sub 20, that's good for me. Okay, we're set. Oh my gosh, man. I had a pretty good OLO case there, but my PLO execution, so bad. It was not a very smooth, not very smooth turning there. A pretty good cross. .73. Let's freaking go. Let me just check if you can actually see the. I hope you guys can actually see the times. I hope the screen isn't too small. Okay. Okay. Oh man, my body feels a little bit too tense. I need to be a little bit more relaxed, I feel like. So far, pretty solid solves. Nothing really good except for that 17-second solve, and nothing really like that bad. Usually I'd be getting like a lot of like 21 seconds, 22 second solves, but yeah, so far it's been pretty good. I've been getting 20-second solves for the most part, which is good, but I would like to get sub 20. Oh my gosh, I just jinxed myself. I said I wasn't getting any really like bad solves, but damn, I messed up that OLL, and that F2L was terrible. 29 seconds, man. I cannot have another bad solve or else there's no way I'm gonna get sub 20 average of 12, man. Gotta lock in. Gotta lock in, guys. Come on, we can do this. All right. Bro, I feel like quitting right now, man. This is so sad. It was a really good solve, but I messed up the PLL, so I gotta freaking resolve the cube. Man, I feel like freaking crying. I don't even think this happened in stream before, where I messed up so badly. Hell nah. Bro, I think I messed up again. Hell nah. What the hell? I apologize, man. I wish I could start this recording all over. Hell nah. What is going on? Ah, deep breaths, deep breaths. Oh, oh. What the frick, man? 125. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Let's just get this over with, man. Okay, 5 more solves. That's it. 5 more solves. It's just practice, guys. It's just practice. Think of it that way, and I guess I won't be losing too much morale, I guess. I mean, this is just practice. That's what I'm thinking right now. All right, finish strong, guys. Finish strong. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. See, guys, that's what I'm talking about, bro. We talking about practice right now, man. I got a freaking 15.68. Wow, that's a freaking extremely good solve. See how I changed my mindset, and yeah, immediately I got a better time. So stop thinking this like it's I mean, yeah. Think of this like practice, and then I guess it will kind of calm myself a little, and I'll perform better. All right. just practice, guys. Okay, decent solve, 21 seconds. Okay. .12 seconds. Okay, 2 more solves, then we can finally be done with this. I think this is probably one of my worst performances of all time. Not gonna lie. Okay. My turning feels very like clunky. Usually I'm not really this bad at turning the cube. I feel like, I don't know, I'm locking up a little. Our last solves, bro. Let's finally get this over with, man. Oh my gosh. This is gonna motivate me to practice even more. I mean, not more, probably I'm just gonna stay with practicing 3 times a week. They'll motivate me to actually want to practice. So, okay, let's go. Yeah, come on. Okay, that's our average of 12 of 21.21. Okay, average of 12 is 21.72. Okay, that's actually not as bad as I thought. I think I've done worse before, so let's go over the times really quick. Here, okay. So as you can see, we started off really strong. Got a 20 second, 19 seconds, 20, 17 seconds, 20 seconds. On solve 6, it's when it kind of fell down. 29 seconds. There's only one bad solve. And then solve 7 was when it all fell down. And that's when I knew it was freaking over. But yeah, I had a good mindset shift and ended up having a pretty good 15-second solve right after. And then yeah, after that was just really, really subpar times for me. 21, 24, 21, 21. Okay. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This will definitely motivate me to make me want to practice and get better. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And okay, you guys can't see my face right now. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Bye-bye.